How to make a player progress bar in Roblox Studio. Create parts. Prepare 2 parts, a starting point and an ending point. Name it Start and End. Select both parts, group as folder, and name it Points. Create a GUI. Add a screen GUI to Starter GUI and name it ProgressBar GUI. Add a frame for creating the progress bar. Name it Bar. Add an image label to create a player image. Name it Image Player. Add a local script to the ProgressBar GUI. Writing the script. This script displays every player's profile picture on a progress bar and moves it based on how far they have traveled between the start and end points. Get services and UI. Get race points. Calculates the entire race path. Stores player information. Creates a progress icon for a player. Clone the template image so every player gets their own icon. Converts the player's world position into a percentage between 0 and 1. The player's progress percentage determines where their icon appears on the bar. Display each player's Roblox profile picture on the progress bar. Wait until the player's character exists before tracking them. Whenever a player joins, we start tracking their progress. When a player leaves, we remove their icon and tracking data. Handles players already in the game. Updates the progress bar forever. Recalculates how far the player has traveled. Updates the player's position on the progress bar. Click play in Roblox Studio and start testing. If the script works, you can come back and further customize your game. You're now equipped to start coding in Roblox Studio. Let your creativity run wild and see what you can build.